In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tag in Bitbucket. So in order to do that, first head over to bitbucket.org and click on this Try It Now or click on this Get It Free option that we can see right here into this part. Doing that will allow us to register into Bitbucket and have our own account. Now, if you already have it, click on this Sign In option that we can see right here. So if you wish to add a tag for that, what you can do is you just need to actually do it directly onto the web interface or using Git commands. Just navigate to the commits that you have on my actual dashboard, open the repository, and then click on commits. And then after that, select the commit that you want. I have in here this initial commit, so let's proceed. And then click on this right here. Click on that commit. And then from in there, just head over to the actual options that we have right here. So click on to the actual details for that. You can see the comments for the git ignore. We have the file tree, as well as some other options to tag, as well as do some changes right here. You can see this tag icon, so make sure to click on it. In here, click on this create a tag. Input right here the tag name. Let's input right here pending. You can also add a description for the tag. Now click on this create. After that, you can see that we have now this tag added. Proceed to click on that and you should be able to add it directly into this commit. And as you can see, it's been tagged as such right here. So as you can see, it's already been added and you can filter them directly using tags, branches, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.